Okay, let's just start today's class. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. Okay, I will share my screen and I will tell you what we are doing today. Okay, this one, as time goes on, we are still going to develop it. It's like a wizard. This is like a wizard that is shooting egg. When you tap your space button, you can shoot. Make sure you target the egg and then shoot the egg. Oh, let me target one. Okay, but that is not what we are building today. Actually, what we are doing today is this. Is a very simple game, and I'd like you guys to follow me closely. So even at all, if you did not get the game now, you can always go to the link, rewatch. Okay, it's a very simple game, common game, and this is it right here. Okay, let me play it again. Okay. So, do you have anybody that can build something like this? Shama, Shikemi,
Yes,
do you have anybody that can build this kind of game? And that is game over. Okay, so that is what we're actually building today. Okay, so I will open a new file. I will open a new folder. Okay, so that we have a fresh page. Okay, this is our Scratch interface, and then let's quickly do it. And then this time around, I might be a little bit faster. Okay, please, I'm greeting everybody. I mean, I can see you. Good evening, everybody. Please, if you cannot hear me, join with audio. Okay, now, but I want to believe everybody can see my screen.
yes, sir.
Okay, now let's start. The first thing that we need, as usual, is you come to this, to choose a backdrop, and I like this blue sky. I will import that one. I will go to this sprite, and I will import basketball. I will delete my cat by clicking on this bin. Okay, come to this place and then look for paddle. You can come up here and search for paddle. This is the paddle. So we have paddle here. My paddle is bending. You can just set it back to 90. Just click on 90, and then you have your straight paddle right here. Okay, but this paddle has the same color with the background, so I will have to change the color of this paddle. What I'll do is come to costume, click on this fill tool, and then put it right here on my paddle, so that I have a blue paddle. Okay, so the next thing is now that we have a paddle and we have a ball. Okay, so let's first write scripts for our ball. We want our ball to be bouncing on the screen. Okay, and Shama, what's the first thing that we need to do? We come to event.
Sir, we are going to go to when
green flag is clicked. That is the first thing that we need. Okay, now second one is I'll go to control and I'll pick up this forever. You know, I told you it's like, okay, and
yes, sir.
But to continue forever. Okay, I'll come to motion and then move 10 steps. Do you get it now? And
Yes, sir.
if on edge, you remember, if on edge, bounce. So if I play this, you see what is happening? It is moving from left to the right. There's a simple trick that we had there. This turn 15 degree, I'll just put it for a while and I will remove it. Then we have our ball jumping around the screen. Okay, we have our ball jumping around the screen. So that is the first thing that we need to do. Okay, now for our paddle, I click on this paddle. For the paddle, the first thing as usual is that when you have this clicked, I will set this one to forever. Please, I want to believe you can hear me loud and clear. It's raining here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and I will set the motion. I will come to this set X to and then the sensing. This one, mouse X. I'll join it to this place. So what we mean is that I'll be using my mouse to control the paddle. Now you see from the left to the right, I'm just using my mouse to control the paddle. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do now is we want this ball to be jumping on the paddle. Okay. That is the next thing that I want to do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now I want the ball to be landing on this paddle. You know now it's not actually landing. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
that
sir.
is not what I want. So what I will do right now is on my board, I will use a conditional statement, as I used to tell you guys. Conditional statement is under control, and this is my conditional statement. If I will put it here. So if what? Go back to stencil. If touching what? If touching paddle. You get it now. If
Yes,
touching
sir.
paddle. Okay. So if touching paddle, what should happen? I want the guy to point in direction of 9 up. Up is 0, okay, and move 10 steps. Do you get it now? And let me say this one, turn 45 degrees. Turn 45 degrees. So when I replay this thing, let's see what happens now. When I replay, can we see now that it's now jumping on the paddle anytime it touches the paddle? Okay, but something is wrong. It's only moving in one direction, to the left. That is turn 45 degrees. I mean to the right. That is turn 45 degrees. Okay, which means we can predict the movement of our ball, and that is not what I actually want. Okay, so what I will do is I will come to operators. I'll pick this one out, pick at random, okay, put it here to cover the 45, and I will set the number to minus 45 and 45. So what we are trying to tell our ball now is a pick from minus 45 to 45. Just pick at random, so that I will not be able to actually determine your direction. So when I click now and I play, then the ball can move to any direction. Can you see now? Right, left, right, center. It will just pick at random. Okay. So that is what we want. Okay. And then now, should in case I'm unable to catch the ball and the ball escapes the paddle and hits the floor, the game should be over. Okay, that is the next thing. So what I will do is also a conditional statement. What I will do is I'll come to control. Please, are people with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll come to control. If statement, I will add it again. I told you conditional statement. If. So what if this time around? The first if is when you touch your paddle, do something. So this time around, when you touch your the floor, do. Okay, and the trick I'm going to use here is if I come to sensing, touching color is what I'm going to use here. So which color? When you touch this brown color, so just click on this color, come down, you see this pencil icon, click on it, and then come and pick this brown color. Okay, so if touching this color, this brown color, what do you want to do? I want you to stop the game. So I'll come to control, stop all. Do you get it? So let's play and let's see. Okay, if you touch the padding, go up, but if you touch the floor, stop all. Are we getting it now? Okay, and that one also will lead us to another thing, game over. I'll come to this place, just look for paint, click on the paint, click on this text tool and type game over, and type game over. Okay, I can increase the font of game over right here, the font of game over right here. So what I want to do is when my game is on, don't display game over, but as soon as the game is off, display what's game over. Okay, so I'll go to my basketball. So if you touch the ground, stop all. Okay, and also I want, anytime I click on the green button, okay, anytime I also click on the green button, I want my ball to start from this place. I'll set my ball to that place, motion, and then this is the position of my ball here. So anytime I click on green button, and also I can just add, maybe wait 1 sec. Okay, wait 1 second. So when I click on that green button, my ball is going to first wait before it starts moving. Okay, now there's something they call under events we have broadcast and then we have receive. Okay, broadcast is like you send message to somebody to receive your message. So this broadcast, when the game is over, I will put the broadcast here before stop all, to just tell to just signal to my game over. So here I will just type game over. So what I mean is so when the ball actually touches the brown line, you broadcast game over. So I will go back to my game over. I'll go back to my game over. So when I come to game over, I'll just say when I receive game. But before I receive game over, when the green flag is clicked, that I'm working on game over now. When the green flag is clicked, okay, hide.
Yes, sir.
When the green flag is clicked, hide. So when I receive game over, show. So let me play back and let's see what happened. So the game over has gone. Okay, but when the ball actually touches the ground, you will see the game over. Do you get it now? Okay, let me replay. Okay, the game over is gone because I said whenever I click on the green button, game over should disappear. Okay, and when the ball hits the ground, show the game over. Okay, also I can add some effects to the game over, something like change color effects forever, change color effects forever, and wait for 0.5 seconds. We see the function of that one in just a moment. Okay, and this ball, instead of stopping all, I'll change it to this script. So when I play,
Star, you said
0.3.
Okay.
So when I play game, can you see the effect on the game over now? Okay, that's the effect on the game over. You can add sound and so on and so forth. Okay, now having done that, now I think the next thing that we need to do is, what is the next thing now? It's just let's add our score. Okay, let's add score. So when this section is over, then the next section will be for question and answer. So to add your score now, come to basketball, go to variables, okay, and I will make a variable and I will just say score and click OK. So I will, anytime I click the green flag, I will set score. I'll change this my variable to score. I'll set score to 0 up there, and here anytime it touches the paddle, change my score by 1, and that is all. So if I play this game, I will enlarge it and play this game now, and let's see what happens. So when I play this game now, can you see the score now? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so which means anytime you touch the paddle, just count the score. And if I'm unable to, to catch the ball, then the game is what's over. The game is over. So
Sir, are you using your mouse to
yes, I'm using my mouse to control
the game?
The game. Yes, the paddle. Of course, I'm using my mouse, and this is the code for the mouse.
Okay.
I'm using my mouse to control this. Okay, so I think we have come to the end of this short game.